So today we're going to change filter in one of our electronic air cleaners. Step one is always shut the power switch off at the furnace. It prevents some issues down the road, and it's just safer that way. So make sure we shut the power switch off first. Step two, remove the filter cover, and then we're going to unplug the air cleaner. It's just a little power jack there. That can get set aside. Pull the air cleaner out, and then what we want to do is change the pad on the inside here. So these two little red tabs, they rotate and lets this pivot open. We'll take the old pad and discard it. These should be changed about every 3 months, but it can depend on the house. This is a good time to grab a shop vac or a little brush, kind of wipe down the screen. There might be some clumps of dust and some things here that are left. It's a good time to get it all cleaned up. But you're going to want to grab a new insert, one of these new pads. And the one thing you want to look for is there's a little sticker. It might be kind of hard to see, but there's a little sticker inside here that says LPD. That sticker needs to touch this electronic probe. So you wouldn't want to put it in upside down here. We want to make sure that that sticker is touching that probe. That's what's energizing that carbon pad, that matrix inside there. But you want to kind of tuck it down in here and then close it up. Close those two tabs, and then take a peek and look and see if there's any gaps around. So I've got a little gap up here, so we'll adjust that a little bit. We don't want to have any air escaping or getting past that filter, so we'll adjust it over a little bit there. Pinch it back in. Now we're looking good. Now we take and put the air cleaner back in its spot. Before you drop it all the way in there though, it's a good tip to kind of hold on to it here, and it's a good time to plug it back in while you can see what you're doing. Plug that cord back in, and then you can lower it all the way in there. Replace the filter cover and turn the switch back on. After you turn that switch back on, you can confirm that everything's back on and powered correctly by looking down in here and seeing the little red LED light on the air cleaner.